Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start today's video. So today I have something unique to share with you. I'm going to use spray paints, but these are not your normal spray paints. They are multi-tone, and I have one green, purple and yellow pink. So I'm going to open these in front of you. I myself really don't know how these going to turn out, but when I saw them I got really excited. Actually there were more colors in this same way sprays, but I just picked these two colors. I just wanted to experiment with them and see how they work with resin. So originally I thought I'm going to use a stencil and then I'm going to do the spray paint, but then I thought this is the first time I'm using them, so I just want to see first how they look like. So this is the reason I'm just doing it the simple way, but either way I'm really excited. If this works, I might do a stencil very soon. I have never seen a spray paint in two-tone. There, I know it's a thing and it's available to everyone, but I haven't seen that, so I wanted to share it. So I was super excited, and now I'm going to shake this. So first I'm going to use this one. So I'm going to shake a little bit. You need to keep the spray paint away from the mold. So when I did the spray, because this is a first time I'm spraying it, I'm getting a little bit of texture, but I'm happy with that. It might look really good on the resin. So I'm going to do half and half. So half is the one spray paint and the second half is going to be the other one. So the other one came out really smooth. So in my mind I was thinking that when I will be doing the spray, the two tones will be showing, but it was just one tone that was showing a lot. So I thought I'm going to see what happens. So what I'm doing here is that I have mixed my resin, black resin here, and I'm just simply going to pour this black resin into the mold now. So in my mind I'm thinking the same like the Chameleon mica. They have different shades when you move them in light, so this might work the same way. So that's why I'm using the black resin, because it might show more on the black. So it's filled up now. I'm just using a little bit of heat gun to pop up the bubbles, and after that I will leave this to cure and I will see you next day. So this is the next day and I'm going to demold it. So let's see how this is going to be. So it is out of the mold now, and let's see. This is the mold. It is clear, so it has taken the spray, and this is how it is looking like. So the area where it was, I got a little bit of texture with the spray. So now I'm confused again because I really wanted to see the two-tone here, but I am not. It is just the one tone I can see here, but still it is really pretty. So I'm going to enhance the feature a little bit more of this mold. I just really love the design of this mold. So what I'm doing here is I am using my gilding glue, and on the edges I am applying it. So later on when I'm done with this, I will be going to use the gold foil, and after that, don't worry, there is something very amazing to show you. So like this way, randomly I'm just applying the gilding glue. So my glue is all dried up now, and this is the mirror gold that I will be using by Babio, and I'm just simply rubbing it and I'm just removing it. So this will enhance a little bit of features around the edges. And you can already see that it is doing. I'm not going to overdo the gold, but still I just wanted the edges to be shine through. So now the gold is done. Now these are some crystals that I make from my leftover resin, so I wanted to put something over there. So this is exactly what I did. I had some leftover resin, it was really thick, so I put it into the crystal mold. This mold I made myself, so I will link the tutorial above if you want to learn how I did. Let's see the final look. So this is the final look, and now I am going to show you that yeah, we have two-tone here, and now it's turning into the yellow pink and then the blue purple. So yeah, the spray paint is working here and I was really happy with this project. It was really easy. Now I'm going to do the stencil, so I'm super excited about that. And I really love how the crystal I made came in handy. I never knew that I'm going to make some project and this crystal will match so well with the color scheme. So you can see now the two tones are coming out, and this is something really amazing. Instead of just rubbing all the mica, you just spray paint it and you get amazing result. But I'm super excited to try the stencils also. So this was a really quick and fun tutorial for you, and I hope you like it. And if you did, please do let me know in comments, and also please like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider do so, and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.